Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare vegetable wrap from the leftover chapati. It is very delicious, just give it a try. This is the leftover chapati, this is some veggies, then Szechuan sauce, tomato sauce and eggless mayonnaise. So in the vegetables I have added some onions, some cucumber and some carrot and some chilies. You can add or subtract the vegetables according to your choice. So let's get started. And if you like the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel to support me. Now I'm heating up a pan. You can add any type of pan like frying pan or dosa tawa, anything. I'm just warming up the chapati a little bit so that it becomes soft again. Then I'm preparing the sauce mixture that I will add to the chapati. For that I need a mayonnaise, some Szechuan sauce, some tomato sauce to make the sauce mixture. I will mix it, beat it well to mix it up. It's very delicious in a day when you don't want to make anything, so you can make this from the leftover chapatis. It tastes absolutely delicious. Children just love it, and even you can give children this as their tiffin, as a snacks. Add some chaat masala, some black salt, this black pepper. If you are preparing it for children, then avoid the pepper. And the mayonnaise and the sauce already have a salt in it, so try to add little bit. So avoid salt. That's why I have added little bit of black salt. Then spread it over the chapati evenly. It will give us creamy flavor, a creamy texture when you will eat it in every bite. Add the veggies. You can also add capsicums or else peas, any cabbages, any vegetables of your choice you can add or subtract. And I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice just to give it some tangy flavor. And our veggie wrap is done. It's a very tasty, so do give this a try and let me know in the comment section that how do you like it, or if you like it or not. And thank you.